I'm talking about bolt. When you see a bolt.
I saw a bolt over there, but
That scared me. Oh Lord.
I saw the light and I.
That so like glazed my eyes. I could not see. Papa, that was scary.
It was. You want to sit down?
No.
I got a feel like it. Dude!
Woo.
You're right over there.
It's just thunder, honey.
That's just thunder. That don't hurt you.
When you see lightning, you won't see Papa because I don't like lightning.
You didn't see that big bolt of lightning?
No, that lightning, no. When I see what I want to see,
That was
then I.
way up in there.
It was way, it wasn't.
Yeah, tell them bring it on. Is that legal fireworks?
Yeah, that's the good. That is the
Yeah,
good,
that's the good
stuff.
Hey, they didn't do that last year with showing them. Apparently this year they're hitting the mother load because they graduated. Oh, Lord. Wait, was that lightning or was that fireworks?
That was fireworks over there.
That big bolt of light, that big boulder.
Yeah, that was fireworks over there.
I'll let you. I didn't see the food go over there.
Me too.
It is.
The what?
That's a cleaning of the stable. Cleaning our house.
Still, you gotta eat. You gotta eat. That's a lot of peanut butter right there, you know.